Bridges. They connect us, cities, communities, and people. They are beautiful and metaphorical, but unfortunately, they don't last forever. As of 2021, the average age of the more than 617,000 bridges in the U.S. is 50 years, which also happens to be the typical lifespan of a bridge. Managing and replacing our aging bridges will require the best engineers and the best technology. That's where precision meets innovation. That's where Arrival 3D comes in. At Arrival 3D, we use cutting-edge 3D laser scanners to quickly capture every detail of a bridge, from large spans to small bolt patterns. We turn these scans into usable 3D models, giving you highly accurate measurement data for engineering and planning. Using a combination of drones and land-based scanners, every corner of the bridge can be scanned inside and out. No guesswork, just precise, actionable data that saves time and reduces risk. Whether you're retrofitting, repairing, or decommissioning, laser scanning technology empowers you to make informed engineering decisions. And we don't just do it quickly, we do it right. Our team brings the most advanced laser scanners in the industry, calibrated to survey-grade accuracy. From start to finish, we handle everything, ensuring your project is delivered on time, with results you can trust. But don't just take our word for it. Ask the engineers, architects, and planners who've partnered with us. Their projects went smoother and with fewer mistakes. What could we do for your project? There is no better tool than 3D laser scanning to capture, document, and analyze our aging bridges. Connect with Arrival 3D today and get 3D technology working for you.